Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are making delicious Nigerian Puff Puff, a popular Nigerian street food that is soft, fluffy and super easy to make for the whole family. Stay tuned for all the tips and details, and don't forget the full recipe is in the description below. In a large bowl, combine the dry ingredients: flour, sugar, powdered milk, salt, ground dried pepper, ground nutmeg, and active dry yeast. Ground dry pepper is optional, but it adds extra flavor and mild spicy kick to the puff puff. Make a well in the middle of the bowl. Pour in the warm water. Mix until well combined. The batter will be soft and stretchy. Cover the bowl and allow the batter to rise in a warm place for about 60 to 90 minutes. After 60 minutes, the batter is ready for frying. Heat up oil in a saucepan under medium heat. The oil is ready for frying when it sizzles around the wooden skewer, as in this video. Drop about 1 tablespoon of butter into the hot oil. Fry until golden brown, flipping occasionally. Do not overcrowd the saucepan so that the puff puff will have enough room to turn. You are frying the puff puff under medium heat. If the oil is too hot, the outside will be done, but the inside will be raw. If the oil is not hot enough, the puff puff will absorb too much oil. You don't want that. Remove the fried puff puff from the hot oil and place them on a container lined with paper towels to absorb any excess oil. Now continue with the process until you have fried all the batter. And that is how to make soft, fluffy and delicious Nigerian puff puff right at home. I hope you enjoyed this easy Nigerian street food recipe. If you try it, let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share with your family and friends. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next recipe. Bye for now.